Oh, should you do? See what's up here. Red and green macaw. Pygmy marmosets. Yeah. The parrot at the back, up there. Yeah. Where the little monkeys are. I don't know. These people are looking at something in this cage. Oh, there's some birds. There's a bird up there, look. It's not even in the cage.
Поехали дальше, да. Почему?
So in this one, there's a red-billed toucan, a black agouti, and then a blue and yellow macaw. Look at this little fella. I wonder if he's in there then. 'Cause the parrots are up the top. And another one up there. Just got the parrot up there now.